Your job could be protecting your aging brain. Scientists at the University of Edinburgh found the more complicated someone's job is, the more likely they are to score well on memory and cognitive thinking tests into old age. The researchers first looked at the childhood IQ tests of around 1,000 elderly participants. They then compared those results with cognitive testing done when the participants were 70, years after retirement for some. Researchers defined the complexity of a job by using definitions from the Dictionary of Occupational Titles and scored jobs on levels of complexity. They divided jobs into two types: jobs that require you to work with people and those that require you to work with data. In terms of working with people, jobs that ranked as highly complicated included lawyers and surgeons. Examples of less complicated jobs: factory workers and painters. Highly complicated jobs involving data included architects and civil engineers. Less complicated included construction workers and telephone operators. Researchers found the participants who had jobs that had scored high in either category also scored high in cognitive testing, like memory tests. So whether you're working with people or data, if your job is complicated, you're likely scoring better on cognitive tests into old age. One thing to point out though, researchers found many people who had higher IQs had gone into more complex fields. In fact, they found childhood tests accounted for about 50% of the differences in scores. But the other 50% of the variance in scores did appear to come from participants' time on the job, making the case that exercising the brain through work really can benefit cognitive health. Researchers have asked study participants to return for more testing so they can discover how career choices affect the brain into more advanced stages. For Newsy, I'm Madison Berg.